Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off notifications on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. First, open up the Start menu and then click on the Settings button. In the Settings menu, click on System. Now select Notifications and Actions from the left sidebar. Here is a master switch for turning all notifications on or off. Down below here you can also select which individual apps you want to allow to send you notifications. You can also set up Focus Assist here, which is a feature where you can set certain times which you don't want to be disturbed with notifications. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.